It is me, T, here. I hope you guys are having a great week. If you see this video, I don't even know when I'm gonna get ready to post this video, but hopefully I can get it done today, which is Friday, day before 4th of July. So keep my fingers crossed that I'm able to go ahead and post this out to you guys today. If you are new to my channel, thank you for stopping by. I hope you enjoy watching this video and all the videos to come. So if you want, definitely click that little subscribe button and hit that notification bell for all upcoming videos. So this video, by the title of this video, we'll be doing a high puff tutorial. Never done a high puff tutorial, so this will be my first. My hair is, I have my satin, what you call this? I can't think. Beanie, a satin beanie that I sleep with every night. So I've had this, this twist out probably for, I had it twisted for about a week, and I just took it out, I think maybe 3 days ago. So this is what it looks like 3 days later with the Florida humidity. So I guess that's not too bad. But yeah, if you wanna see how I do this high puff, definitely stay at the end to watch the video to see how I do it. So it's strictly just a video tutorial showing you guys how I do it. There's a lot of other videos like this, so it probably wouldn't be too much different from the others, but stay tuned and see how I do it. So let's go ahead and get started. So guys, things I'll be using for this video, I'm going to be using my Cream of Nature Pure Honey, and this is the Breakage Leave-In Conditioner. So I'm going to use this and apply this to my hair. It's a leave-in conditioner. I'm going to use my Black Jamaican Castor Oil. This is the lavender scented Black Jamaican Castor Oil. I'm going to use my Ebin Edge Tamer, and I'm going to use my Eco Styler gel. So those are the products that I will be using on my hair today. And I'm going to use my bristle brush, and I have here my Edge Tamer brush. You know, some people use a toothbrush. It's basically the same thing. I just thought it was cute and I like the color because it's my favorite color. And I'm going to be using also this softer bristle brush. I haven't decided which brush I'm going to use yet, so I just took them both out. So that's basically what I'm going to use. And of course I'm going to wet my hair because it is dry. I'm just going to massage it. So I love to massage my hair, my head. And also too, not only that it feels good, it also promotes hair growth and stimulation to the scalp, which is also promotes health growth. So with every new style that I do, I always make sure, even before I wash it, after I wash it, my hair is constantly being massaged. So it's not something that I used to do before, but this year I started to, be a little bit more aware and do it more. So I'm going to go ahead and just wet my hair. I forgot my spray bottle downstairs. Didn't feel like going back down, so I'm just going to use my hands, wet my hands, and just wet it that way. So now that my hair is completely saturated, as you can see, I'm shaking my leave-in conditioner. And I'm just going to spray this. It's not the easiest thing to spray, so I'm just actually spraying it in my hand. And I'm just going to apply it to my hair. It smells really good. Now I'm going to add my Black Jamaican Castor Oil. Oops. All right. Now I'm going to use my Eco Styler gel. And this I use a generous amount. I use about that for the front. Then I'm going to put some in the back and the sides. You see the waves and curls are popping? Look at those curls just a poppin', a poppin', poppin'. Do you guys like putting a lot of products in your hair? I don't. I usually just do it when I do a high puff, and I don't necessarily do high puffs a lot. I usually just really protective style my hair a lot, so I get it back to the length that I had it once at. So I pretty much just protect style most of the time. But I like doing high puffs. When I do decide to do high puffs, I do like it because it does give an extra flair to your hair. So now I'm just adding a little bit of the even edge tamer and to the front and the back. And I'm just using a little bit for right now, just to kind of hold everything down and slick it. All right. Now I'm going to use my bristle brush to start brushing that back. I'm going to look out to the side a little bit because I have a mirror in front of me, but it's not directly in front of the camera. Brush is slipping out of my hands. All right. And I have my little elastic band, but I'm going to actually cut this because it's kind of tight, and usually if I put it in my hair and try to do it around a second time, it gets extremely tight. Plus it doesn't give me the leverage that I want because of it being closed in. So I'm going to cut it with my little scissors here, and that way I have control as to how tight I want it. So let me go ahead and just brush it again. Now I'm gonna apply this to my hair. I'm just gonna turn it, you see here, just gonna push it up to the back a little bit, and then pull it up to the front, and then push it again up a little bit, tie it tighter, push it up in the back, tie it tighter, and I think this is how big I would want it. Just going to tie it a little tighter. Okay, just going to tuck the back pieces here. Sorry if I'm out of the frame, guys. All right. And I'm just going to now kind of pull my hair out a little bit. All right. All right, now I'm going to put a little bit of edge tamer to the front just to lay down my edges a little bit. in the front. Alright guys, so it's been about 10 minutes now, so I am going to show you what my hair looks like. So this is, got some little curls left over from my twist out. I'm gonna just extend that a little bit to the side, make some of those curls pop. You see them periodically throughout my hair, kind of like here. And I see them popping here and there. Show you the sides a little bit if I'm not out of the frame. So this is my high puff tutorial. Hope you guys liked it. It's very easy, very simple. I'm going to do another high puff tutorial. That's going to be in another video, but I just wanted to kind of show you guys high puff. So if you're not ready to wash your hair and you have an old twist out, this is one thing that you can do with it. Just put it up in a puff and keep on going. So yeah, that's it. That is it for this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoy it. If you are new to my channel, again, hit that subscribe button, click on the notification bell for all upcoming videos to come. And if you're an oldie but goodie, thank you again for stopping by and joining the family. And thank you all so much for watching. Have a great day and enjoy your happy 4th of July. Bye.